Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn from the very beginning, the pronouns. There are many types of pronouns, but first of all, we are going to start off with two types. First, the personal pronouns. There are two types. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or use, and they. Use is another way to say you in plural. Another plural forms of you are both of you. Did both of you have a good time? Also, you all or y'all, you guys, you girls, and so on. However, it's not the only one that which can be in plural. With we, both of us, or we both thought that the movie was funny. Both of us want to see you someday. With they, both of them, if both of them are happy, they might go anywhere. Object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. Second, the possessive pronouns. There are two types as well. First, my, your, is, her, its, or your, and their. My AI-86, her microphone. Within this, it is the genitive case. John's job is boring. The bird's leg. Japan's monuments are very nice. When the subject is in plural, the girl's toys, my parents' house, my brother's house, or you can write like this, Luis' house. We will use of when elements are things. The end of the film, the room of the hotel. Second, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. This is mine, that's yours. The third type of pronoun are demonstrative pronouns. This, that, this, those. This is the book, that is the pencil. These are the guys, those are the cars. These pronouns can be used like this. Hello, this is Pepita. When we talk by phone. Mary, is that you? Luismi, this is my boyfriend. The fourth type of pronouns are reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. There are joint transitive verbs. I blame myself. How did he hurt himself? When we want to emphasize the subject, we painted the house ourselves. When we use by, it means only. I prefer to be myself to listen music. She learned to do that by myself. Some verbs change the meaning of the pronoun. Help yourself to some coffee. They can be used in expressions. Behave yourselves. Make yourself at home.